So for video journal 9, I believe that's what this one is for writing. It's the same thing that we did the previous week. We created a storyboard using um, one ad that we got to pick this time, and the ad that I had was for the open house at the Dash Stadium, which I felt um, was pretty easy, honestly. The more you do it, it gets easier. It was easy to kind of envision in my head what I wanted to use, what images I wanted to use just from looking at the one flyer from it, like an open house for baseball. Like you instantly think. I mean, they advertise on there like the dollar drinks, dollar hot dogs, stuff like that in the autograph session. So I mean, in your head, you already like with those few words, you have images of everything that you needed. So it was easy to find some images that related to what was going on and pretty much post it. Um, and honestly, for that, you can do the same thing with audio. I mean, as long as you paint the picture, it's the same way. Just like I said in my last video journal, as long as you paint the picture for audio, it's just as easy as creating a um a visualization as long as you can paint the picture. So I mean, which may be a little bit more challenging, but it's achievable on both radio and TV. But this time was a lot easier because I understood what I needed to do, how I wanted to do it, so it flowed a little better than the first time.